thaw the chicken breasts and make this super delicious and easy recipe. To start, in a pot of boiling water, add 1 chicken breast fillet and let cook. Next, cut this chicken into small pieces. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from, so I can thank you for following our recipes. To continue, in a pan, add 2 eggs, ½ cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt and stir to combine. Also add ½ cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and stir again. Now add the chicken, ½ cup of grated mozzarella cheese, ½ teaspoon of oregano and stir. And then pour this mixture into a baking pan. To finish, add ½ cup of zucchini, ½ cup of red bell peppers, ½ cup of grated mozzarella cheese, and bake it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, and our recipe is ready. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Look how wonderful it is, you guys. This recipe is very easy to make and delicious. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.